Hey, this is Rob Travels with Dottie, and I have a problem. And the problem is, I love hummingbirds. Wherever I go and camp, I'd like to attract hummingbirds to my hummingbird feeder. And there's really nowhere on my rig to hang a feeder. I mean, yeah, I could, when the awning's out, I could hang it from one of these things. But you know what? I can't have the awning out all the time. It just isn't practical, and there's really nowhere else to hang it. So I did the obvious solution. I went and bought what they call a shepherd hook. Let me show you what the problem is with that. So here's my shepherd's hook in my bird feeder. Now, what's the problem, you might say? Well, you can see it's kind of bent because I've kind of broken it because I camp in the desert a lot, and driving these things into the ground is really, really, really difficult. And that center post really needs to be pounded down in there. And the only way to do it is take it apart, pound it. I screwed up the threads. It still is not stable. And it's just not a good solution. Let me show you what is a good solution. Check this out. This rod clamps to a picnic table, any table. It can clip to my stairs. It can clip to a number of things, and it solves the problem of having to drive stuff into the ground. And this arm swings. I can hang my bird feeder on there, and voila, problem solved. And I'm put a link in the description where I found this thing. It is wonderful.